anniversary of our nation's independence. We are all gathered here today for this program. This day is very special to all of us. The entire nation is commemorating this milestone with the Nectar Festival of Independence. On this auspicious occasion, we will remember all those freedom fighters who gave their lives for the sake of the country's freedom. We were finally free from the British rule after 200 years thanks to their sacrifices. Every year on August 15, we celebrate Independence Day to celebrate the first day of India's independence and all the heroic freedom fighters who gave their lives to secure India's independence. On August 15, 1947, British rule over India came to an end and we received all the fundamental rights in our country. Our homeland, after our independence, everyone should be proud to be Indian and celebrate our good fortune to have been born in an independent India. It took many sacrifices from many freedom fighters and decades of fighting between 1857 to 1947. Mangal Pandey, an Indian soldier in the British Army, spoke out against the British in support of India's independence. Later, many outstanding freedom fighters engaged in lifelong battle for freedom. We can never forget the sacrifices of Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Khudiram Bose, Sukhdev Thapar, Vallabhbhai Patel, Udham Singh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and many more sacrifices who lost their lives for freedom of our country. Moreover, Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian leader who taught his countrymen a valuable lesson in non-violence. Finally, after many years of struggle and sacrifices, it came to an end on August 15, 1947, when India gained independence. We are extremely fortunate that our ancestors granted us independence from the British. India, which has now become an impactful country, globally has grown a lot since it got its independence from colonial rule. It has developed in terms of infrastructure, education, healthcare, science, and technology. Now, India is aggressively pushing nuclear and missile programs. Chandrayaan 3 is third lunar mission designed by ISRO to explore the moon. Let's make a promise to strengthen the nation, advance the nation, honor on this auspicious occasion. Happy Independence Day to all of you and best wishes